Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about a very important interview question in SQL. So after that, we will convert that SQL code into DAX query. So we will see the both, how it will work in SQL, and if we convert into DAX, how we can do it. Okay, let's see. So here you can see this is my employees table, right? Okay. So my question is, get employee name, gender, department and department wise average salary where gender is female. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So select, I need employee name, gender and department. Now I need average salary. So average, but I need to give a condition, right? In this average, I need to give a condition. It will select only those rows where gender is female, right? So I'll write like case when gender equals to female, then give me the salary. And okay, first it will check whether the gender is female or not, then it will average the salary. Okay, now I need a partition. Why I need partition? Because I want department wise. So department wise it will go all the rows wherever the gender is female. So then I need over partition by department. Okay, as I will write like new salary. Okay, from employees. Okay, if I run this one, so I'll get the department wise average salary wherever the gender is female, but I need only those rows where gender is female, right? So I'll create a city with city as. Okay, then I'll write like select star from city where where gender equals to F. So here you can see, now I have only those salary. Okay, only those salary. Department wise, here you can see finance department, what is the average salary of people where gender is female. Okay, now I need to convert it into DAX. Okay, how to do? Let's see. So in DAX, what I need to do, here you can see so I did this with male. I will convert into female. So you can see in DAX what I have done, I have created a table. I took a variable as table. Now I am using add columns. Why? Because it will add a column of average salary, right? So first what it will do, it will use filter. So filter employees table where gender equals to female. Now I got a table where gender equals to female. Now on that table I need to add a column. Okay, and what is the column name? ABC. Okay, I added a column name. Now from there what I need to calculate average of salary where employees gender equals to female. Okay, from that table, this is a filtered table. In this filtered table I need to average salary where gender equals to female. Okay, now after that I used all except. Why? All except of department. So what all except will do? All except remove all the filters from other columns. Okay, but not this one. So it will filter only department wise, not other columns. Okay, so after that if I return this variable table 1, what I got, let's see. So here you can see I got gender equals to female, and finance, here you can see this is the average salary of finance for the female employee, 82,000. Here you can see in SQL also 82,000 finance. So like this every department has their female salaries, female employee salaries, average salary, okay, department wise. So like this we can calculate. Okay, so if you like my videos, please share it among your friends, subscribe to my channel, support my channel. Thank you guys, thank you.